Massive bridges built high above oceans, valleys, and mountains face one invisible enemy every single day: extreme wind gusts. Strong winds can cause giant bridges to sway, twist, and vibrate so violently that they could collapse. In fact, one famous bridge in 1940 twisted apart in the wind and completely fell down. So how do modern bridges survive today? Hidden deep inside many of these structures are enormous counterweights called tuned mass dampers. These giant weights move in the opposite direction of the bridge's vibrations, helping balance the structure during powerful winds and storms. Some of these hidden systems weigh hundreds of tons and constantly shift to absorb dangerous motion before it becomes destructive. Engineers also use special sensors and computers that monitor wind speed and bridge movement in real time. Without these hidden balancing systems, some of the world's tallest and longest bridges would be far too dangerous to use during extreme weather. And the craziest part? Most people drive across these bridges every day without ever realizing giant moving counterweights are secretly protecting them. Like and subscribe the channel for more interesting facts and comment your suggestions.